Now, VIDNOZ, if you're actually looking for an AI-powered video editor that can help you make professional-looking videos without any experience at all, VIDNOZ is worth checking out. It offers many templates and tools that make it easy to make engaging videos in minutes. We give it a 7 out of 10 because it's a great option for beginners who want to create professional-looking videos without any experience. You can try it for free. It has AI-powered editing that helps to automate many of the tedious tasks involved in video editing. It has templates and tools, wide range of them for you to create your videos. You can turn your scripts and articles into videos with just a few clicks, and it is easily you can easily customize your videos with your branding and style. For the price, as you can see, I've been showing you the prices. It's for a 1 minute. You have free plan. There's a free plan where you get 1 minute of video per day, just the basic features. We have the starter plan, the business plan, and the enterprise plan. You can see it on the screen. So it's as simple as that. Now the con is that the AI isn't always perfect and the customization options are limited. Next on our list is Lumia AI, but for whatever reason also we can access the website too. But if you've ever wished you could tell your video editor what you want and finally create it, then Lumia AI is the best for you. This is the power of artificial intelligence to make video editing a breeze. It's like having a personal video editing assistant. We give it a 9 out of 10 because it's a game changer for video editing. It's not perfect, but the closest thing to magic that we've found so far. So it has AI-powered magic that turns your text, prompts, and images into high-quality videos. It is perfect for newbies and anyone who wants to save time. There's no hard learning curve. It is very easy. Just describe the video you want, and Lumia AI does the heavy lifting for you. It can create everything from short social media clips to longer, more complex videos. It works on your computer, tablet, or phone, whichever one you prefer.